today Hugo and I are visiting 505 Spencer Road. This is a very cute Cape Cod fixer-upper, and it's tucked away on a quiet street close to Wegmans and a hop skip from Buttermilk Falls State Park.
All this appealing home needs is you and your finishing touches. It has a broad front porch, and inside there's great natural light, hardwood floors, and original woodwork. It's an eat-in kitchen with a breakfast nook, and check out this cool retro gas stove. Out back is a patio and a deep backyard. At the back of the property is a trail that leads to Buttermilk Falls State Park. 505 Spencer Road is close to Wegmans, it's Fall Creek Elementary School, and it is a great value.